We have a really good connection with the Pennsylvania State Police. I'm currently in the process with the Pennsylvania State Police, and they've been outstanding with helping us out, whether it's through the Criminal Justice Club or the Criminal Justice Program. We got to take trips down to the Pennsylvania State Police Academy in Hershey, and we are one of the only groups in the Commonwealth that gets to experience that aside from actual cadets going through the process. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I can't thank them enough for being as helpful as they are. And aside from that, the club got that incorporated into our curriculum. Aside from that, we've gone on trips to the Lackawanna County Coroner's Office, Scranton Bomb Squad, and Scranton Police Department. So I think it's that hands-on interaction that really brings the whole program together, as well as the experiences from your professors. Because it's one thing to reiterate information from a textbook, but when you have professors that are actually involved in what you're learning about, that's a whole other story. Because we've had professors that are attorneys, former state troopers, Pennsylvania Crime Commission, and like juvenile delinquency. They come from all aspects, and to actually hear what you're learning about come from their personal experiences, it puts the puzzle together.